Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Mark.
And I'm Emily. Before we start today, we just want to say a huge thank you to all of you. Our community of English learners is growing every single day.
Yes, whether you have been with us from the very first episode or you just found our channel today, we are so happy you are here. Thank you for watching, listening, and leaving such great comments.
Absolutely. And speaking of growing, today we are going to help your English score grow. In our last episode, we learned some fun idioms about family. Today, we are taking it a step further.
That's right. Today is all about exams, specifically the IELTS speaking test or any other English exam where you have to talk about yourself.
Tell me about your family. It sounds like an easy question, right? But it is actually a trap. Many students just say, "My family is big. I have a mom, a dad, and a sister." And then, silence.
Exactly. That answer is okay for a beginner, but you guys are B1 level now. You need to show the examiner that you can speak naturally and give details. So today, we will teach you how to do exactly that.
Rule number 1 for the IELTS exam. Never just list your family members. Instead, describe the type of family you have.
Right. So instead of saying, "I live with my parents and my sister," you can say, "I come from a nuclear family."
Nuclear family. That means just parents and children living together. But what if you live with your grandparents, aunts, and uncles in one big house?
Then you have an extended family. You can also divide your relatives into your immediate family, which is your parents, siblings, or kids, and your distant relatives, like cousins you rarely see.
The examiner will love these phrases. Another great word is siblings. Instead of saying brothers and sisters, just use the word siblings. For example, I have 2 siblings. It sounds much more professional.
And what if you don't have any siblings, Emily?
Then you are an only child. Not a single child, but an only child.
Great tips. Rule number 2, talk about your relationships. Don't just say, "I love my sister." Use a phrasal verb. Say, "I get along really well with my sister." It means you have a good, friendly relationship.
Yes, and if you share hobbies or interests with someone, you can say you have a lot in common. For example, my dad and I have a lot in common. We both love photography.
And finally, instead of saying, "I am similar to my dad," you can say, "I take after my dad." It means you got your looks or personality from him. This is a fantastic phrasal verb for the exam. Okay, before we do our IELTS role play, we have to talk about a huge mistake. Almost every B1 student makes this mistake when talking about their family.
Oh, I know exactly which one you are talking about. It happens when the examiner asks, "How many people are in your family?"
Yes, students often translate directly from their native language and say something like, "We are 5 in my family."
Bzzz, wrong. In English, that sounds very unnatural. Instead, you should say, "There are 5 of us in my family."
There are 5 of us, exactly. Or you can simply say, "I have a family of 5. It's such a quick fix, but it makes your English sound so much more native.
Another very common mistake is confusing the words fun and funny when describing your relatives.
Oh, that's a classic. Let's explain the difference. If your brother tells great jokes and always makes you laugh, he is funny. Haha funny.
But if you just enjoy spending time with him, like playing video games or traveling together, then he is fun to be around.
Right. A person can be fun to be around without telling any jokes. So remember, clowns are funny, but roller coasters are fun.
That's a great way to remember it. So Uncle Bob the magician from our last episode is definitely funny because of his bad jokes, but he is also fun to be around.
Perfect. Now that we know what vocabulary to use and what mistakes to avoid, let's see it all in action.
All right, let's do a quick role play to show you how all of this works together. Mark, you will be the strict IELTS examiner. I am the student taking the test. Are you ready?
Good morning. Let's talk about your family. Do you have a large family or a small family?
I come from a rather small nuclear family. I live with my immediate family, just my parents, my younger sibling, and me. However, we are a very close-knit family, and I get along really well with everyone in the house. We always have dinner together and discuss our day.
Very good. And who do you think you are most similar to in your family?
Physically, I am the spitting image of my mother. We both have the same smile. But personality-wise, I definitely take after my father. We have a lot in common and we are both quite stubborn, so I guess that trait runs in the family.
And stop. Emily, that was a band 7 or 8 answer easily.
Thank you. Did you notice what I did? I didn't just list names. I used the new vocabulary and I explained why we are close by saying we have dinner together.
Exactly. You used phrases like get along with and take after very naturally. This is exactly what you guys should do on your exam.
We hope this little role play helps you feel more confident for your speaking tests.
To get good at this, you have to practice out loud. So here is your homework for today. Take your phone, open the voice recorder, and imagine I am asking you, tell me about your family.
Record your answer for 1 minute. Try to use at least 3 words we learned today. Maybe extended family, take after, or have a lot in common. Listen to yourself and see how you sound.
It feels weird at first, but it really works.
That is all the time we have for today. Thank you again for helping our channel grow. And good luck to anyone preparing for an English exam.
See you in the next episode. Bye.